my second day in Portland, Oregon, and today I am going on a waterfalls and wine day trip. I am so excited. All right, we're on our way to waterfalls and wine, but we made a stop along the way to see this amazing, amazing gorge, which is just behind me. All right, we're hiking up to see the first waterfall, and there's this giant bridge right behind me. We made it to the waterfall, which is so gorgeous. So I'm here at Multnomah Falls, and a lot of the area has been closed due to the fire that ran through the area in September 2017, but you can still get a view. The area is partially closed off, but you still can get a good view of the bridge and the falls. I'm at Rowena Crest, which is a viewpoint, and on one side you can see the river and the gorge. On the other side, there's this amazing cliff, which I'll show you right now.